Okay, here's how we can fix error code 292 in Roblox mobile. So I'm gonna explain two fixes. So for the first fix, we actually want to just close any background applications which we may have. So scroll up here, and if you have multiple applications, just close them like so, and make sure that you only have Roblox running here. So if that doesn't work for you, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hop into any game here, preferably one that doesn't cost Robux. Okay, so like this, and I'll just expand the screen itself. So just give me some time here to expand the screen. Okay, like this. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to click on the Roblox icon here in the top left, and then go into settings, and here we will just reduce the quality. So the graphics mode, the graphics quality, if it's automatic, we want to change it to manual, and here we will just change the settings all the way, drag all the settings all the way down, see if that fixes it for you, and if it's not, you can, if it doesn't, you can just go back and change it to automatic. But that's what you can do. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.